Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a Gangle from Amazing Digital Circus. Let's start with head first. Draw a curved line. Draw a vertical line and connect the sides of curved line to the vertical line. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Draw neck. Draw a oval shape for the body. Draw a spring-like lines over the oval shape. Detail the spring lines. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hands. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.